In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do bird dog exercise. Be on 4-point kneeling as you can see on this video. Tighten your abs muscles. Breathe well. Then lift your right hand and left leg up at the same time. Make sure you breathe well throughout this exercise. Maintain this position for 20 to 30 seconds or count 20 to 30 times. Make sure you breathe well while maintaining this position. Rest for 10 seconds. Take a deep breath and breathe out. Tighten your abs muscles again in preparation for the alternate hand and leg. Then, lift the left hand and the right leg up at the same time. Make sure you breathe well throughout this exercise. Make sure you form a straight line with your lifted hand, leg, and your spine. Maintain this position for 20 to 30 seconds or count 20 to 30 times as your body may allow. Make sure you tighten your abs muscle and your gluteus muscles. Rest for about 10 seconds. Take a deep breath in and out. Then repeat this exercise as many as you can. Make sure you breathe well throughout this exercise. This exercise helps to improve the core muscle strength. It can also be used with other core stability exercises to relieve back pain. Note, this video is for educational purpose only. Please subscribe to our channel. We have other videos on how to train your core muscles for you, or visit our website. Thank you for watching.